Hi, in the last episode I built the login screen, but when I tap on login then nothing happens. So the task at hand in this episode is to make it functional. So let's go to Vim, and the first thing I need to do is to act on login button. So for that, RMQ provides this function, this method called on tap. Do, and I'm going to call a method called login. Now instead of typing the whole login method, I'm going to copy paste lines of code which I have in my cheat sheet. So here I have this method login, and this has this condition submission invalid, and to check submission invalid, I get the @email, which is the UI text field, and then I need to get the text, and then I need to see if it's blank or not. But here I don't have @email, so first thing is I need to do @email, and RMQ provides this method called .get, which would return the UI text field in this case. Password .get. So with that, let's try to run rake. Once I tap login, then I get an error, and the error is because undefined method blank, and that's because here I'm using this method blank, but it's not available in RubyMotion by default. And I'm using blank because, as I said in the first episode, I'm coming from Rails world, and I really like the utilities that active support provides. But nothing to worry about. We in RubyMotion we have motion support. So let's do bundle install, and then we can run rake. And now I can tap login, but I get the error again, but this time the error is different. It's handle invalid submission. So let's go ahead and add that method, but rather than typing the method, I'm going to once again copy it from my cheat sheet. So that's the method handle invalid submission, and here if email is blank or password is blank, then I am showing the appropriate message, and the way I'm showing the message is by using this utility called app.alert. However, if we run it here and try to get to the method, we will get an error because app by default is not available, and app comes from bubble wrap. Bubble wrap provides a lot of utility methods. Some of them we would be using in next episode, but for now let's do bundle install, and then rake part 4. And now if I hit login, I get please enter email. If I fill in something in email, and if I hit login, then I say then I get the message please enter password. So that's it for this episode. The main focus of this episode was to show the introduction